So in this video I am going to show you how to sign a PDF file using a digital signature certificate. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. First you want to open your Adobe Acrobat. Okay, and from here you just want to follow the steps I am going to show you. So first click on the menu and the upper left corner of the screen and select preference. You can also doing this by hitting Ctrl+K on your keyboard. So from here you want to scroll down until you find signatures and select it. Okay, now from here just select the identities and trusted certificate and click on more. Now from here this is the digital IDs. From here you want to click on this icon to add a digital ID. So if you already have a digital ID and from a file, you can choose this or a recommend digital ID access via your server or a device connected to this computer. So what I am going to show you that you want to create a new digital ID. So let's select this and click on next, and from here just select this and click on next. Now you want to enter your identity, so let's enter your identity here. Okay, so this is just an example, and just click on the next and click on next. Now click on finish. Okay, and it should be updated here. Just click on refresh and select that ID. Now just click on X and let's open a sample PDF. Right, for example, in this file here, what you want to do is click on e-sign right here and just simply add signature. Now from here you can just easily write your signature using your mouse pointer. So just click on draw and just create your signature via this. Then just click on apply and you can just put the signature anywhere you want in the PDF file. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like button and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.